Good morning to everyone. Here, the second chapter we are going to deal on online classes, that is chapter 5. Name of the chapter is lines and angles. So first, before starting the exercise, we will go through some important definitions. So first one definition is line. A line has no end point, which we had studied earlier, isn't it? So it can be extended on both the ends. Suppose A and B is the dot of line. It can be extended from A side also, it can be extended from B side also. Second definition, line segment. A line has two endpoints. It cannot be extended from the ends. It means a line segment is having the exact measurements. Third, a ray has one endpoint. That means suppose xy is a ray, it can be extended from one side, not from the other point. Fourth one is angle. When two lines or line segment intersects at a point, a vertex is formed. That vertex is said to be as angle. Angle is denoted by this sign. So here angle AOB. Now types of angle. Let's recall the previous knowledge. As we know that acute angle is more than 0, less than 90, isn't it? Right angle is exactly 90. Obtuse angle is more than 90 but less than 180 degree. In the same way, reflex angle is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Straight angle is exactly 180 degree and complete angle is 360 degree. This we had already studied. Now the main types of angles. First is the complementary angle. Two angles are said to be a complementary angle if the sum of their complements or measures is 90 degree. For example, if 30 degree angle will be added with the 60 degree angle, the answer will come 90 degree. So this kind of angle is said to be as complementary angle, and where 30 and 60 are said to be as complement 1 and complement 2. Both will complement well added, the answer will be 90 degree. Then second one is supplementary angle. Two angles are said to be supplementary angles if the sum of their supplement or measure is 180 degree. For example, when 120 degree will be added with 60 degree, the measurement will come as 180 degree. That means 120 is the first supplement and second supplement is 60. When both the supplement is added, the answer should come as 180 degree. Now the third, adjacent angle. Two angles are said to be adjacent angle when they have the common vertex, they have the common arm and other's arm on opposite side of the common arm. That means an angle is said to be as adjacent angle when it have a common arm, the non-opposite sides are equal and the common vertex. This type of angles are said to be as adjacent angle. Now see, linear pair angle. Two adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair of angle if their non-common arms are opposite ray. For example, here a straight line OB, OA and OC is given. So when angle AOC is added to angle BOC, it forms a linear pair. Linear pair, that means when adding both the angles, the answer should come 180 degree. That's called a linear pair angle. Okay, now fifth one is vertically opposite angle. Two angles are said to be a pair of vertically opposite angles if their vertex forms two pairs of opposite ray. Suppose angle AOC is vertically opposite to angle BOD. In the same way, angle AOD is vertically opposite to BOC.